Welcome to the Big Talk, Party Planners. Hey, it's Daisy here, and today we're making Circus birthday magic in minutes. Grab your coffee, let's turn your house into the greatest show on earth with our super easy printables. In just minutes, you can change fonts, colors, add your child's name and age, or even upload photos to make the printables uniquely yours. Watch how fast our Circus invitation comes to life with your party details. Super quick and set the fun tone right away. Once you're done, save and download the files. Step 2. Print and assemble. Print on thick cardstock for sturdiness and cut with scissors. Now let's assemble. First, cupcake wrappers and toppers. Cut the wrappers. Add a tiny piece of tape and plonk the cupcake in. And grab a 2-inch sucker punch or scissors, punch out the toppers, stick on the toothpicks, and pop them in. Cupcakes are now Circus ready. Popcorn snack boxes. Follow the printed folding lines, crease, fold, tuck the tab. Takes under a minute each. Fill with popcorn, trail mixes, or candy. Perfect Circus snack. Foot tent cards. Same easy folding lines. Crease, fold, tuck the tab. Our foot labels help keep things organized on your party table. Bottle wrappers. Print and tape around bottles with drumming monkeys and roaring lions. Easy personalization that makes drinks part of your Circus spectacle. Cake topper. Lay it with a central happy birthday banner flanked with elephant on pedestal, lion roaring, tiger in hoops, and monkeys drumming. Print, cut, and skewer onto sticks for a quick 3D effect, making your cake the ultimate Circus centerpiece in moments. Personalized banner. String 10 letters spelling your child's name in bold striped designs. Quick hole punches and twine may hang a breeze, instantly setting a festive Circus vibe. Oh, and don't forget the party favors. Cut, hole punch, and tie these favor tags onto craft bags or boxes with ribbons. Fill them up with candy, mini toys, or bubbles, and your guests shall leave the party with a big smile and a perfect Circus keepsake. Alright, now the real fun begins. Let's decorate and watch the magic unfold. First off, my top layering tip is to amp up that visual excitement. Play with different heights to create depth, making your setup feel like a bustling big top. Start tall with a cake stand or stack boxes to let your birthday cake shine like a star attraction. Then drop to mid-level with rusty crates or shelves for popcorn boxes overflowing with treats and treat bags tagged with those thank you notes. Finally, set up the rest of the treat table with party signs, food tent cards, and party drinks. From there, hang the personalized banner high overhead for that grand entrance feel. Use command hooks to keep it quick and damage-free. Prop the animal cutouts on walls or as table guardians. Imagine a roaring lion watching over your goodies. Then scatter star cutouts like confetti for the extra sparkle. And there you have it! Your space transformed into a full-on Circus wonderland in just 20 minutes. Digital downloads means no shipping and you print only what you need. And for maximum savings, snag our bundle kit. The link is in description below. Benefits: instant access, endless personalization. A full Circus party under $50. And don't forget to leave a comment below which printable you're most excited to try. Okay, see you under the big top. Let's party on!